Should I make a deal with the prosecutor? Yes or no? Comment below. Let us know what you think regarding this rather controversial topic. Let's see here. Andrea Racinos asks, my son was accused of raping his 9-year-old daughter. He says it's not true and that the girl has changed the version on 2 occasions. The prosecutor is proposing a deal, which is not rape, but merely touching the parts of the girl. What should we do? Okay, this is not a black or white answer, because we need to know what the evidence looks like. I understand you're saying that your son is innocent, and maybe he is, but the attorney who's representing your son really has to study it, and he really needs to determine what he believes to be the likelihood of actually winning a jury trial. And the reason is because the victim here is 9 years old. See, somebody accused of raping a 9-year-old would be in violation of California Penal Code Section 288.7 parentheses A, obviously a felony. That's life in prison. This is basically a murder case. I mean, it's not going to be worse than murder. It's basically a murder case. And if he takes a deal where he just touched, no penetration, if he just touched this 9-year-old in private parts, that would be considered lewd and lascivious acts with a minor. Under California Penal Code Section 288 parentheses A, that is also a felony, but that carries a maximum of 8 years of state prison, and doesn't mean they're going to give him the 8 years. He might get 3 or 6, because the triad is 3, 6, or 8. So you really need to sit down with the attorney who's representing your son to determine whether or not the chances are of winning a trial. And not only that, but this is a horrible thing, but this is just the truth. You got to factor in costs. An attorney here in the San Francisco Bay Area would probably charge an arm and a leg $700-800 an hour to take a case like this to a jury trial, and this could take months. I mean, this could very well cost you a house. So unfortunately, I'd like to be able to focus on justice, but realistically, you have to think about what are the chances of winning a trial, and also what are the costs of going to trial for a case that's basically much, at least punishment-wise, is no different from a murder case. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Have a good day.